Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wanted to talk about school in English but didn't know the right words? Well, today we're going to learn school vocabulary in a fun and visual way. By the end of this video, you'll know the name of places, people, objects, and activities that you can find at school. So let's get started. Around campus. Let's begin outside this school building. This is the campus. The campus is the area that includes all the school buildings and facilities. Students enter the school through the entrance. The entrance is the place where people go in. After entering the building, students walk through the hallway. A hallway is a long passage inside a building. Another word for hallway is corridor. To go upstairs or downstairs, students use the staircase. Outside, there may be a parking lot. Teachers and visitors park their cars there. Many schools also have a playground. Children can play there during breaks. If students want to exercise or play sports indoors, they can go to the gymnasium or gym. Students usually eat lunch in the cafeteria. If they want to study quietly, they can visit the library. Classrooms and facilities. Now let's go inside the classroom. Students sit at their desks. A desk is a table used for studying. They sit on chairs. At the front of the room, there's a whiteboard. Teachers write on the whiteboard. Some classrooms have a projector. Teachers use projectors to show pictures or presentations. Many classrooms also have a bulletin board. Important announcements are posted there. Students keep their books and belongings in lockers. Science lessons often take place in the laboratory. Schools may also have a computer room. Students use computers there. Large school events happen in the auditorium. School staff. Many people work at a school. The principal is the head of the school. The vice principal helps the principal. Teachers teach different subjects. A counselor helps students with personal or academic problems. The secretary works in the school office. The librarian works in the library. The school nurse helps students who feel sick. The janitor keeps the school clean. A security guard helps keep everyone safe. Sports teams are often trained by a coach. School subjects. Students study many subjects at school. Mathematics teaches numbers and problem solving. Biology is the study of living things. Chemistry teaches us about substances and reactions. Physics helps us understand energy and motion. History teaches us about the past. Geography helps us learn about countries and the earth. Literature includes stories, poems, and books. Art allows students to express their creativity. Music teaches singing and musical instruments. Physical education focuses on exercise and sports. School supplies. Students bring many supplies to school. They write with pencils. If they make a mistake, they use an eraser. A ruler helps students draw straight lines. A sharpener makes pencils sharp. Students write notes in notebooks. They study from textbooks. Many students carry their things in a backpack. Scissors are used for cutting paper. Glue is used to stick things together. Students often use highlighters to mark important information. Classroom actions. Students do many activities during class. Sometimes they raise their hands to answer questions. They take notes while listening to the teacher. Students submit homework before the deadline. They ask questions when they need help. Some students give presentations in front of the class. Teachers may ask students to work in pairs. Students often discuss ideas together, and before exams, students revise their lessons. They also review important information. Good students participate actively in class. Exams and grades. Schools use different methods to evaluate students. An exam is a formal test. A quiz is usually shorter. Students complete assignments at home. Sometimes they work on projects. After grading, students receive their grades. Parents may also receive a report card. Students hope to pass their classes. Sometimes students fail and need extra support. In some situations, students may retake an exam. Excellent students may receive scholarships. Congratulations! Today you've learned many important school vocabulary words. Now here's your challenge. Write 3 school vocabulary words from today's lesson in the comments down below and use them in your own sentences. If you enjoyed this video and want more vocabulary lessons like this one, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.